Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how we can interface buzzer with Arduino. So this is going to be a short and sweet video. Let's get started. So buzzer, this is a very simple device. It's a piezo electronic device that converts electrical signal into sound wave. It has two terminals. The first one is VCC. We need to supply 5 volt here, and another terminal is ground. We can connect a resistor here. We can take output from any of the digital pin of Arduino, then connect it in series with a resistance to the ground. While using buzzer, we'll use two functions. The first one is tone and the second one is no tone. The syntax for tone is we need to first assign the pin number and then frequency. If you want to play with duration, you can also define that in the arguments. So this tone function, it basically generates a square wave of the specified frequency with 50% duty cycle on the pin. And there is another function that is called no tone, and it takes an argument that is only the pin number. What it does, it stops the generation of a square wave triggered by the tone and has no effect if no tone is being generated. So these two functions we will be using. If you want to find more details on these two functions, you can go to the reference page from Arduino. And under the advanced input-output, you can find no tone and tone. Here you can find more details on the function. Let's do the programming in the GUI. We'll first build a circuit. We'll bring in search for buzzer. And it has two terminals as mentioned earlier. We'll bring another component, that is the resistor, with a value of 220 ohms. Connect this pin of buzzer to any of the digital pin of the Arduino. Then connect the another pin of the buzzer with the resistor in series to the ground. So that's all for the circuit configuration. Now let's come to the programming part. First of all, we will define the constant pin for buzzer pin. Let's do that. Const integer buzzer pin is equal to, for our circuit we have connected 8 number pin of Arduino to the buzzer, so let's assign 8 for that. Now you need to define the pin mode for this buzzer. Let's do that. Pin mode, and this buzzer pin, this is our output. Well, now let's come to the void loop. To create a tone, we'll use tone, then the pin number, that is the buzzer pin. Then we need to define the frequency. Let's say we want 1 kilohertz signal, 1 kilohertz square wave signal. So this function will create the buzzer. We'll make a delay. Let's say we want to hear the tone for 1000 millisecond, that would be 1 second. If you want to stop the sound, for that you will have to use no tone, and no tone takes an argument of buzzer pin. You need to add another delay after the no tone. Let's say another 1 second. So that's all for the programming. Now let's see how this works in the simulation. So with 1 second pause, it is creating a sound. I hope you got the idea how to interface buzzer with your Arduino. You can use this buzzer to any sort of project where buzzer sound is needed. It could be a security project, or it could be for activation of some function, and etc. All for this video. It was a short video about interfacing buzzer. In the upcoming video, we'll learn something new. Thank you. See you in the next video.